Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. As 2021 comes to an end, we'd like to thank you all for all the likes and comments on our socials. We adore all your image contributions, so here we have pulled together the ones that have inspired both you and us the most over the past 12 months. If you'd like to get involved in the future, don't forget to follow us on our socials. Look how beautiful this home is from Bamalou's Home. Elle stripped back and finished her doors in coal and refined Danish oil. With 6 natural colours to choose from, it's made from natural oils and resins to feed your wood to provide a natural, waterproof finish, best applied with a lint-free cloth. Digging DIY has really got us imagining being sat in front of this fire, cosy with a warm glass of mulled wine. How relaxing. Digging DIY finished their floors in Bonner Natural topped with Bonner Traffic HD. You can select from 3 different sheen levels and apply with a Bonner lacquer roller, ready for whatever life throws at it. Like Batman needs Robin, Home on the Grove needed Osmo UV Protection Oil 420. Look how it's enhanced the wood grain, it looks fantastic. Osmo UV Protection Oil is the perfect partner for exterior vertical surfaces, and best of all, it can be patch repaired too. Add a drop to a cloth and rub into the area that's affected. Easy. If you are a minimalist, then you will love the simplicity of this dining room from HomeSand. The dark floor really helps the rest of the room look inviting and refreshing. Stained with Man's Pine Stain and topped with Fiddy's Hard Wax Oil, it's like a match made in heaven. With a gin collection to be proud of, the stained glass heart has made sure they are sitting comfortably on some beautiful wooden shelves, which I think you'll agree looks great with the blue walls. The shelves are finished in Fiddy's Hard Wax Oil, offering excellent protection and a durable finish for when you want to slide a bottle of gin off the shelf for the weekend. We hope you've enjoyed looking back at these homes as much as we have. But it's not over there. We have one more wrap-up video for you with 5 inspirational homes. So don't forget to follow, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that and our future content. All the products mentioned in this video will be linked in the description on YouTube. If you need any further technical assistance or advice on your project, why not give us a call or email? We are the experts after all. And as always do a test area.